How to save stickers on Snapchat. So if you want to save stickers on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now go for the chats, which is here on the bottom left, and then you need to go for any one of your chats. Once you're here on the chats, you just need to send a sticker. So go for the stickers, which is here on the right side, and under the stickers you can choose any sticker that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing this one. Once you choose a sticker, so if you want to save this sticker, then simply tap and hold on to that sticker and then tap on save in chat. And once you tap on save in chat, it will be saved in your chats, right? But if you want to save that sticker, or if you want to save that sticker on your Snapchat on your profile, then again press and hold, and here on the bottom you will have add to favorites option, right? Tap on add to favorites and that sticker will be added to your favorites, and that's it. That's how you can save your stickers on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.